Here's my Subaru app. So you can just tap get to download it. So here it is, double click to install it, and then yeah, you'll be able to download it. The easy way to own and love your Subaru. A comfortable start to every drive, no matter the weather. The MySubaru app makes owning your Subaru easy by connecting you to your vehicle with features like remote start, remote unlock, service schedule, digital service history, vehicle locator, 24-hour roadside assistant. Whether it's starting your vehicle from the comfort of your home, scheduling a service appointment, or locating your vehicle, the MySubaru app puts the power of your Subaru at your fingertips. So yeah, all of the kind of features which you can use here, and seems this app is just becoming better and better. So yeah, here you have that. So here's the app. So you just need to open up, but seems it's just, I don't know, it just keeps loading. Just trying to open it up. All right, so maybe there is some kind of a bug. I just actually seen recently that there are some kind of bugs with this app. So yeah, that's just what it is. But anyhow, give it a try.